Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Web Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account. If you've decided to close your account for good, I'll guide you through the process safely and easily, including some important things to consider before deleting your account. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and visiting myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Google account you wish to delete. Once you're logged in, click on Data and Privacy on the left-hand side. In the Data and Privacy section, scroll down to the More Options heading and find the Delete Your Google Account option. Click on it. Deleting your Google account will remove all your data, including emails, photos, and files from Google Drive. If you want to keep a copy of your data, use Google Takeout to export your information. Select the data you want to back up, download it, and save it to your device. After reading the information about what will happen when your account is deleted, tick the checkboxes to acknowledge that you understand the consequences. Once you've done that, click Delete Account. Your Google account will then be permanently deleted. Deleting your Google account is recoverable at the same time. It is a security purpose that if you have deleted the Google account mistakenly. But remember, deleting your Google account is irreversible later. You will lose access to all Google services linked to the account, such as Gmail, YouTube, Google Photos, and Google Drive. Any subscriptions or purchases associated with the account will also be lost, so make sure to cancel or transfer them before deleting them. And that's how you permanently delete your Google account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Web Tips, and hit the notification bell for more simple digital guides. Do you have any questions or need help with other online tasks? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.